Hello, my name is Tsem, and I am a Dorje Shugden practitioner, and I wish no ill toward His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the CTA, Central Tibetan Administration, and China. I have been practicing my practice that's been given to me by my teacher for the last 30 years, and it's a personal spiritual journey, and I wish to be accepted, and I wish to be respected just like any other citizen of the earth, irregardless of my spiritual practice. I'd like to give you a list of High Lamas in Tibet for the last 400 years that have been practicing Dorje Shugden. And this is just the High Lamas, not including the great masters who are not on this list, which number into the thousands, and their disciples that numbers into the millions for the last 400 years. Here is the list of Dorje Shugden Lamas who practice Dorje Shugden. His Holiness Kyabje Pabongko Rinpoche the first, His Holiness Kyabje Pabongko Rinpoche the second, His Holiness Kyabje Pabongko Rinpoche the third.
Venerable Amchok Rinpoche, Venerable Achok Rinpoche, Gangru Geshe Panchok Gelsen, Kyabje Tangka Rinpoche Lapsang Trenden.
Venerable Kutsam Rinpoche, Gaden Shase Lokpa Kamsen Gyalse Rinpoche, Gyuto Kempo Lopsang Sherap Rinpoche, His Holiness Sakya Jigdao Dakchen Rinpoche. His Eminence Nechung Rinpoche Organ Tenle Chopel, His Eminence Daktra Rinpoche, the previous region of Tibet, His Eminence Gangchen Rinpoche of Serame Monastery.
His Eminence Chögyal Doksin Kuten Lama, Zaba Damlin Rinpoche, 30th Sakya Trinzen Sonan Rinchen, 31st Sakya Trinzen Kukien Ngawang Kunga Lodro. His Holiness 9th Panchen Lama, His Holiness 10th Panchen Lama, Gaden Janze Kyabje Serkong Dorje Chan 2 reincarnations ago, Gaden Janze Kyabje Serkong Dorje Chan previous reincarnation.
Ganden Sase Kensu Kunjuk Sering Rinpoche, Ganden Sase Kensu Damding Gyatso Rinpoche, His Eminence Ribu Rinpoche, Yundut Kensu Jesun Losang Tempa.
His Eminence Drupchen Rinpoche, Venerable Punsok Rinpoche, His Eminence Gyare Rinpoche, Venerable Trikon Rinpoche, Sarpong Monasteries, Geshe Tempa. His Eminence Kyabje Dagok Rinpoche of Drepung Gomang Monastery, His Eminence Shakwa Choje Jetsun Losang Nima Pelzangpo, His Eminence Kyabje Lati Rinpoche, His Eminence Kenso Jampa Yeshe Rinpoche.
His Eminence Jordan Rinpoche, Yeshe Losang Tenzin, Kache Losang Zopa Rinpoche, Emperor of Dachi Nobu Monastery, Drepung Gomang Monastery, Kenso Losang Tempa.
Serame Monastery Bombra Kenso, Rinpoche Jesun Lopsang Mudru, Kyabje Gosok Rinpoche of Serame Monastery, His Eminence Serame Kenso Lopsang Tarjin Rinpoche. His Eminence Zaper Rinpoche, Venerable Meli Gon Rinpoche, Venerable Jampa Kedrup Rinpoche, Venerable Nese Tuku, Venerable Tuku Lopsang Tunso.
His Holiness Kyabje Lin Rinpoche, His Eminence Dema Locho Rinpoche, Venerable Nyawang Lofang Damcho Gyatsen, Venerable Kachin Nyawang Gyatso.
Gyawang Kenso Ngawang Dechok of Serame Monastery, His Eminence Lorden Sherap Dagyap Gyapyong Rinpoche, His Eminence Kyabje Gyele Rinpoche of Drepung Losling Monastery.
Venerable Kusang Rinpoche, Venerable Lasang Rinpoche, Venerable Nima Rinpoche, Serpong Monasteries Kese Jampa Ketsun, Sekyu Monasteries Ken Rinpoche Jampa Sendu, Venerable Chichen Lama, His Eminence Nyedru Rinpoche. Dragyak Tengen Rinpoche of Drebong Rosaling Monastery, Drebong Rosaling Sawa Utok Rinpoche, Kanden Jiangxie Sekong Tritu Rinpoche.
Chamdo Jinka Monasteries Geshe Lobsang Kyadrup, Sarah J's Kyabje Datna Rinpoche, Kyabje Para Rinpoche, famous Kham areas Dorje Shugden lineage master Geshe Wangchok. Chamdo Jampa Links Temple Songluo Jampa Kendro Rinpoche, Chamdo Jampa Links Jesa Jamyam Kaijo Jampa Gyasu Rinpoche, Rinpoche Chajamka Takten Daje Links Tenjo Rinche Jonai Rinpoche. Sarah J. Teho Kodpin Rinpoche, Shaganden Tusu Lobsang Tenzin, Shaganden Tuku Lobsang Yeshe, Chadong Pakma La Rinpoche, Examiner Kongdong Rinpoche.
Chasapka Tunte Dogelins Kenpo Shampa Yonten, Kyabje Chamke Rinpoche, His Eminence Rinchen Kongpo Rinpoche previous incarnation, His Eminence Rinchen Kongpo Rinpoche present incarnation.
His Eminence Panong Rinpoche, Geshe Sonam Kyabsen, His Holiness Likham Kyagun Rinpoche, Sha Karen Ken Rinpoche, Geshe Losam Jimpa.
Geshe Rabden Rinpoche, Tenzin Rabne Rinpoche, who is the current incarnation of Geshe Rabden Rinpoche, Kabje Zeme Dorje Chang, His Eminence Kabje Zeme Chokchu Rinpoche. His Eminence Rongda Gapgon Rinpoche, His Eminence Denma Gongsa Rinpoche, the previous incarnation, His Eminence Denma Gongsa Rinpoche, the current incarnation, Venerable Geshe Sutrim Gelsen of Thupten Daje Ling.
Kundaling Rinpoche, Dukor Rinpoche, the tutor of the Panchen Lama, Venerable Dromtuk Rinpoche, who is also known as Jamseng Rinpoche, Lama Thupten Popo. Datse Tuku Rinpoche of Tucha Monastery in Chamdo, Dukor Tuku Tenzin Gelek Namgyal of Chamdo Jampaling Monastery, Jetsun Gyaltsen Shakya Rinpoche.
Jetsun Loksan Choje Jangchun Aji Rinpoche, His Eminence Tsem Rinpoche, Chando Jampalings, His Eminence Papala Tenzin Jitme Gelek Rangye Rinpoche, Jetsun Jampa Choje Pyosampo Rinpoche. Ragyat Ano Rinpoche Loksan Gyatsen, Jetsun Ngawan Loksan Tempe Gyatsen Sengye.
His Eminence Dagri Dorje Cham, His Eminence Gajang Cancer Rinpoche Lobsang Senbel, Garden Shatse Geshe Tenda Rinpoche previous reincarnation, Garden Shatse Geshe Tenda Rinpoche current reincarnation. Kyabje Domo Geshe Rinpoche II, Kyabje Domo Geshe Rinpoche Lobsang Jikming Nagi Wangchuk, Lama Yeshe of FBMT, Kyabje Taku Bangchu Rinpoche, Root Lama of Kyabje Pamuka Rinpoche.
His Holiness Kyabje Trijang Rinpoche, previous incarnation. His Holiness Kyabje Trijang Chokchu Rinpoche, current incarnation. His Holiness Kyabje Zong Rinpoche, Kyabje Domo Geshe Rinpoche, the first incarnation. Venerable Geshe Ngawang Darge, His Eminence Serkong Chen Shat Rinpoche, His Eminence Gyome Kensol Sonam Gyatsen, His Eminence Dobum Tuku Rinpoche, Gaden Satse Sang Chang Rinpoche.
Kyabje Budon Rinpoche Jesun Loksam Kenrak Tempa, Venerable Gongsan Rinpoche Loksam Tondruk Rapge, the previous incarnation, Venerable Gongsan Rinpoche, the present incarnation. His Eminence Gongla Rapto Rinpoche, His Eminence Kyabje Rapto Chowa Rinpoche, Drepung Losing Jampa Rinpoche, Geshe Gelek Gaso J. Gungnam Rinpoche. His Eminence Ganden Shakse, Kensol Kare Rinpoche, Ganden Jangse Tukten Tuku Rinpoche, Venerable Zawa Tuku Rinpoche, Chamdo Jampa Ling 3rd Java Rinpoche.
Geshe Yeshe Wangchuk of Saramay Monastery, His Eminence Saramay Kyabje Yongyal Rinpoche, Gajam Geshe Kenrak Gajam, Geshe Tsurum Gyal Tenzin Rinpoche of Ganden Jangse Monastery. Saramay Geshe Losang Pende, Gyutu Kensu Tenzin Sherak, Radak Chopeling Monastery, Lazar Rinpoche, His Eminence Kartse Rinpoche.
Mongolian Utuktu Kaka Jesun Damba, His Eminence Geshe Kyabsang Gyatso, His Eminence Zazet Jamsing Rinpoche, His Eminence Kejot Rinpoche of Saramay Monastery.
Guru Deva Rinpoche of Drepung Gobang Monastery, His Holiness the 101st Trisur Rinpoche Jesun Lowik Namgyal, His Eminence Kyabje Gyara Dorje Chang of Drepung Losnei Monastery. Samdong Rinpoche, Lama Michel Rinpoche, Venerable Geshe Tenzin Dorje, His Holiness the 102nd Ganden Tripa Kyabje Rizong Rinpoche.
The 41st Sakya Trinzin Nyawang Funga Techen Dawa, Sarah Kenchen Dorje Chang Gyatsen Shakya, Hasa Gen Larimpa, Chatrin Radong Rinpoche. Chatrin Ganden Sampeling Kensu Losang Tempa Rinpoche, Ganden Shatse Nyari Kamzen Kagyu Rinpoche, Venerable Kirti Senshap Rinpoche, the 7th Kamze Rinpoche Tukten Funga.
Saramay Kensol Nawang Dakpa, Saramay His Eminence Tri Yongzin Rinpoche, Saramay Kangyo Rinpoche, Venerable Geshe Tukten Rinpoche, Sha Ganden Abbot, Losang Pende. The 33rd Sakya Trizin, Pema Dudu Wangchuk. The 35th Sakya Trizin, Tashi Rinchen. The 37th Sakya Trizin, Kunga Niko. The 39th Sakya Trizin, Drakshu Tinle Rinchen.
I would like to say this with a lot of respect, but this is a list of Lamas who do not practice Dorje Shugden. They are His Holiness the great 13th Dalai Lama, and His Holiness the great 14th Dalai Lama, and that was after 40 years old he stopped. Prior to that, he did practice. This is the list of Lamas who do not practice. That was the list of all the high Lamas for the last 400 years that practiced Dorje Shugden, not including the thousands of monks and nuns who were also spiritual teachers in their own right, and their hundreds of thousands and millions of disciples. All these Lamas practiced, you decide, were they all wrong